Let's start with analyzing what this question is even telling us, right? So it's a parabola, so it turns a little bit, and it's got to have a positive y-intercept, and it opens downward. So it's going to look something like this, right? So let's point out the most obvious thing first. That's our y-intercept, and it's positive. It's above the x-axis. And it opens down, meaning that it opens towards the negative. So there you go. Now these two things are told to us by the standard form of a quadratic equation. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And the two components that matter the most, first, the a term tells us the direction. So a positive a is going to open like this, and a negative a is going to open downward like we want. So we need the a term to be negative, so that gets rid of choices a and b. And then the other component here is the c term, which tells us just plainly the y-intercept. So in this case, if we need a positive y-intercept, we need the c term to be positive, and that is why choice D is the answer. So notice we never talked about the b term, and that is because the b term does not tell us anything in and of itself. It is extremely important for the equation. It helps us when we're doing quadratic formula, finding the vertex, but it is not itself going to tell us something just by looking at it. So look at the a term to determine the direction, and look at the c term to determine the y-intercept, and now you know how to read the standard form of a parabola.